Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stop your camera mirroring your selfies on your Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's open up our camera application on our Android phone. This is my camera application and I'm going to open it. Then we can go to the camera setting. Click on the setting icon to open the setting on our camera. Then we can scroll down until we find the save selfies as previewed. You have to activate this feature if you don't want to flip your selfies. You can click on the circle button to activate this feature, and you can read the description right here. Save selfies and selfie videos as they appear in the preview without flipping them. Okay, and now it's done, and that's how you can stop your Android phones mirroring selfies. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.